Good hit right here in the front. Nice. 3 tacos. Ooh, nice one right there. Center stage. 42. Eric Hargett Jr. of Gansford in that 42. 51X right up here in front. Michael Gardner's a 51X. Number 96, he's hit the wall. Michael Jones. Get something other than the wall, Michael. There, Michael. Number 69, laying down some damage. John Fusco. John Fusco, a little bent in the middle there. I think that 96 is done. Well, that wasn't very nice. Yeah, we got a good show here center stage. Ten 16 and the 42 are getting into it. Like 23's got some good motor left. That's Dick Robson. That's like 23. Gets her hooked up. Oh, swing and a miss. Good contact there. Whoa, 523 says I'm in. That's Nick Robson. That big man right in. That was a nice hit. Eric Hackett Jr. That old man folded up like a tin can. Number 96 is out. Michael Jones, 96. Out, we're on the clock. He's even more bad. Boy, they're really throwing some stuff up here. He's gonna need a shovel. Little Scooby-Doo man out there. He's doing good too. We got quiet. All right. Not a ton of movement. Who's got it? Gifford Farms, number 42. One of my favorites. Eric Haggett Jr. in the 42 still moving. '51X is still moving. That looks like Matt Gardner. That person got their seatbelt on, John Hogan. They got their seatbelt on. Okay, we're good. The old Gifford Farms number 42 sending it. Eric Hargett Jr. Let's have a good hit here. 6W still moving. Nate Westover. right, we got 3 cars, 3 vans, 3 trucks, whatever you like, 3 vehicles. Whatever they're identifying as today, they are out there. The 6W is still going, Nate Westover. 69 looks like he's out. John Fusco in the 69 looks done. 42 still moving. Got the 42, the 6W, Nate Westover. I can't get a number off the one in the middle. 51X. 51X, Eric Hargett Jr. from Gansford. Missed him. We got him in his sights. Nope. Needs his sights adjusted. 6W is still going. There's a hit. Let's cheer him on. There's 3 left. Cheer him on. Make some noise. Come on, kids, let's hear you hooting and hollering so you're quiet in the car on the way home. Get it out now. It's a locomotive. All right, there's still 3 of them. They're still in. They're still moving. "42 says, crank it up. Come on, people, make some noise. That's Eric Hargett Jr. from Gansford, the 42. He says you're not loud enough. Mark Garnier in the 51X, he's still going. That 6W still got life. Nate Westover. Come on, Nate. Nate says, I need some RPMs. Well, 42 Gifford Farms. Still running strong. All right, we'll see what's going on with that 6W. Matt Gardner, he's up against the wall, but he's going to get a hit in. Whoops. Oh, 42's getting her wound up. Cheer him on. He's going to do a good one, I think. Looks like we're down to 2. We're in the money. Cheer him on. And the 51X got out of it. It's down to 2. Oh, well, head-to-head action. Not sure how long that's going to keep up. Here we go. Let's cheer them on, Washington County Fair. They're all lined up ready for a good one. Yeah. Uh-oh. They are hooked together.